we have just arrived here in Libliwa, Zambales, and we're staying here at Odyssey Resort. We're just waiting na ma-prepare yung room and then proceed na kami doon. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch sa Mami Phoebe's place and okay naman yung food, mura and then masarap din. Now, we're just waiting na ma-prepare yung room before mag-check-in kasi our check-in is at 2 p.m. Now, we're already checked in. Nakapamili na rin kami ng mga kailangan namin and now we're going to the beach para mag-swim. Ingay muna sa loob! Hi guys! Wow, ang arte ng hi guys.
Say hi to the vlog!
Alis na siya. Arte.
Sponsored by
Tapos na kami mag-beach now. We're going back to the room. I'm talking to myself again. Babalik na kami sa room namin and then maghanap na kami ng place for dinner. Hi, so we're currently here at Sestra. Dito kami magdi-dinner tonight. I ordered shawarma rice. Anong in-order mo, Mariel?
Chicken masala.
Ikaw, Rosel.
Masala.
So si Jaja tsaka si Red, andun sila. Naglalaro sila ng... Asan sila? Ayun. Naglalaro sila ng golf. And then after this, happy hour! So, kaya kami nandito sa Liwa is because it's a post celebration of my birthday and also a despedida na rin for Rosel kasi in a few days lilipad na siya pabalik sa Dubai and by the time na mapapanood nyo to probably nasa Dubai na si Rosel. Ganda ko dito para kung ano may suspect. Wala po kung maalala, Your Honor. Eto, scan mo, girl. Good morning! It's our day to here in Liwa and si Jaja and si Red nag-run na sila. Pa 5km run sila this morning and then ako and si Mariel mag-walk muna kami sa beach while si Rosel nag-rest pa. Hindi ko patawag na si Mook. Pakagising lang namin and we had so much fun kagabi. Dami namin ng pag-usapan, mga nangyari before, and of course, mga nangyari sa life updates. Super saya lang kapag gano'n na magkakasama kayong friends together. And I really appreciate and I super treasure yung mga ganong moments together na magkakasama. It's quality time. So yeah, t-shirt na ako kasi sobrang lamig sa room kagabi. As an island boy, mahina tayo sa lamig. Diyos ko, 24 hours tumutugtog yung bini sa loob ng kwarto namin.
Dali natin yung shoes eh.
Oo. Whooping! Alam mo, good morning ka lang dito.
Good morning. Mga ka...
Let's go! Super athletic naman ng mga yan. Ay, sino kayo dyan, mga athletic people?
Dahil lang kayo.
We're now looking for place for breakfast. Kanina, doon kami nag-breakfast sa Uwak. Doon siya sa may duluhan. Pero masarap naman yung food and mura. Like yung tapa, 145 lang. And sobrang sarap. Tapos, we had coffee doon sa Honu. Also, cute yung vibe ng store. Pero masarap din yung coffees nila. And I got salted caramel. Mariel got caramel macchiato. Jaja got oatmeal latte. After that, we head to the beach. And we stayed there for like an hour. Since 12, we should be checking out. And now, we're back in the room. After this, pupunta kami ng Subic para mag-lunch and mag-bonding since Rosel will be flying out on Wednesday back to Dubai. So, we are now checking out. It's almost 12. And lahat kami gayak na. Hinintay ko na lang lumabas sila Red and sila Jaja. Kasi kinuha pa nila mga gamit. Naglalagay na kami ng gamit sa sasakyan, then punta na kami ng Subic. And here's the fit. I got this boxy crop top polo from a TikTok shop. Ito na ang despedido girl. But really, we had so much fun here. Kahit overnight lang yung stay namin. At least, nakapag-bond kami before this girl leaves. Bye! Ang taray naman ni Madam. Madam! So we're currently here at the Barrio Fiesta. Busy po siya mag-computer. And this girl, alis na po siya sa Wednesday. Bye-bye, Rosel! Uy, pa mo ha. Bye-bye! Ingat! Love you! Bye!